Okay. Solve the system using Cramer's law. I feel so bad for the next semester. 4x plus y equals 3. 2x minus y equals 1. So when you have two variables, you're going to need three determinants. The determinant D is just going to be the determinant of the coefficients. What are the coefficients going across? Good. D sub x is going to be this matrix, but instead of the x column, we're going to put the constants. So going across, what will this be? Yeah. Good. So what we just did was we replaced the x column with the constants 3, 1. All right. For d sub y, we're going to replace the y column with the constants. Someone else? What's that going to look like? 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop it. There we go. Good. All right. To finish this off, remember the formula for the 2 by 2 determinant A, B, C, D is AD minus BC. So for the first one, we'll have 4 times negative 1 minus 1 times 2. What does this give you? Negative 6. Now, if this value is equal to 0, you stop and you say, Cramer's rule can't help you. You'll have to use a different method. That does, I think it typically does mean you are in a special case, whether that's no solution or infinitely many solution, but you'd have to use a different way of doing it. Your elimination or your Gauss-Jordan, any of those are fine. You can't use your inverse, though, because if the determinant is 0, then it doesn't have an inverse. So try your elimination or your Gauss-Jordan. All right, so negative 6 is okay. So D can be any value except for 0 for this to work. D sub x and D sub y can be any value they want, period. So this would be 3 times negative 1 minus 1 times 1. What do we get? Negative 4. D sub y would be 4 times 1 minus 3 times 2. Negative 2. So to finish this off, x is d sub x over d. So you would say negative 4 over negative 6. So what does that say about x? 2/3. Y is d sub y over d. So negative 2 over negative 6. So what does that say about y? 1/3. So the point at which these two lines intersect is 2/3, 1/3. Of the 4 methods, 2 by 2s, I like the Cramer's rule. I think goes the fastest. Because all you're doing is multiplying and subtracting, really.